Hello, young artists. I'm Arushi Chaudhary, the co-author of your art exploration series by S. Chand Publishing. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to draw realistic eyes, nose, and lips. For this, you'll require shading pencils from 2B to 4B. Now let's grab our pencils and get started. For the eyes, begin by drawing an almond shape that forms the outer outline of the eye. Draw curved lines on the top and bottom of the eye. Now, draw the large inner circle, the iris, and the smaller, solid center circle, the pupil. The top and bottom curved lines will guide you to draw the eyelashes, which always grow in little pairs. Use a dark 3B or 4B pencil to completely darken the pupil. Shade the iris using short lines that look like a sunburst, like lines radiating out from the pupil. Add shadows around the eyelids and eye socket to give the eye dimension and make it look realistic. Keep practicing them to get perfection. For the nose, draw two intersecting lines, one vertical, one horizontal, to set up the center of the face and the base of the nose. Draw 3 circles on the horizontal line, one large circle in the center for the tip of the nose, and 2 smaller circles on either side for the nostrils. Draw 2 lines extending upward from the center circle to form the bridge of the nose, connecting it to the vertical line. Use a darker pencil, 3B or 4B, to shade and blend the nose. It's amazing how a few simple circles can turn into a realistic feature once you add that final shading. For the lips, draw a center curved line of the lips first. Now draw the proper outline of the lips. Focusing on the center line, draw the curves of the upper and lower lip. Use hatching shading technique, starting from the middle line of the lip to create shadows and highlights that make the lips look three-dimensional. Drawing realistic lips require the correct proportions. You must follow the curve and shape carefully. You've just turned a simple outline into 3D feature using nothing but highlights and shadows. Isn't it amazing how a few simple techniques can turn into realistic drawings? Keep practicing and have fun.